What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you 4 new plank variations that you can do, because just plain old planks can get pretty boring. So for the first one, we'll do shoulder tap planks. You'll be in the push-up position. You won't be on your elbows like a typical plank. So you'll just alternate hands. Tap each shoulder back and forth. Really focus on preventing your hips from swaying side to side too much. Because if you're swaying your hips too much, your core is too relaxed. So just really concentrate on the movement of the shoulder tap nice and slow while keeping your hips in place. All right, the next one is a reverse plank, or I often call it a hollow hold, but since this is a plank video, we'll go with reverse plank. So you'll have your hands at your sides. You could put them under your butt if you really want to. So then you'll basically come up on your elbows and have your feet raised just like this and hold for 30 seconds to a minute. You might be really shaky at first, but it's one of the better ones. Number 3 is plank jack. So basic plank position on your elbows. Then you'll just hop side to side, just like you're doing a jumping jack. Try to keep your butt down too. Try not to raise your butt. Tighter the core, the better. 4th and final one. Well, there's more than 4 variations, a lot more, but these are 4 of my favorites. This is Spider-Man plank. So you'll basically plank position, elbows, core tight, and you'll drive your knee up to the side and alternate. Nice and slow, focusing on opening up the hips and go to the side. So those are 4 of my favorite plank variations other than the typical plank, since it gets very boring. So give those a try. Thanks for watching.